Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block. I'm Sam.
I'm Nick.
And Nick, you're freaking me out. What's going on here?
Well, I got my Pink Floyd shirt on today because what we're going to cook is going to go low and slow, just like the band. We are going to do this beautiful Wagyu tri-tip. We're going to smoke it. It's called Diamond Dave's Wagyu tri-tip. So wood's in the smoker. Today we're using pecan and mesquite. We're going to put this beautiful piece of meat, get it smoked for a couple hours. When it reaches to about 115 to 120, she comes off. We'll wrap it, sear it. Oh, it's going to be beautiful, Sammy. And while we're waiting, we're going to make a nice little sauce to go with it.
And I was just wondering.
Oh.
I know you're getting this, but I want to say something.
Okay, go ahead.
What are we drinking?
Today, I'm going to show everybody how to make a Godfather. Perfect drink for a dish like this. You're going to love it, man.
Oh, I know.
It's sweet. So, again, I'm watching all my smoke go, so we got to get to this. Are we ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, up the irons. So the Wagyu has been salted in the fridge overnight, so we're not going to add any salt today. So again, I like to do that overnight. If you just want to add salt, pepper, and garlic to it the same day, totally up to you, but I love salting it overnight. So all that's left now, I got my meat eater in it, and we're going to set it to about 115, 120, and the smoker will be set at 250. We're going to just add pepper, garlic, and that's it. So let's get to it. So we're going to put the tri-tip in. We're going to take it out around 115 to 120, wrap it, get the barbecue nice and hot with the flat grill, and finish searing it on there, and ready to cut this baby up. It's probably going to take about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Smoke on the water, baby.
Our first feature presentation, Spike's Guitar Camp. Are you metal?
Grab your axe and crank up your amp. Welcome to Spike's Guitar Camp.
Welcome to another episode of Spike's Guitar Camp. The wars of the mighty are upon us. Fear no evil. Warhorse.
Enjoy what you have seen, please feel free to subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell for new episodes as they happen. We ask you to visit our Patreon site to be able to keep the channel up and running. And visit us as well at spikesguitarcamp.com for the latest merchandise and info. See all links in the video description below. Fear no evil. Spike out. Spike out.
While the meat's smoking outside, we're going to make the ChimiChurri Sauce. I think that's how you say it, Sam. If it's wrong, well, it wouldn't be the first time I mispronounced something. So for that, we have cilantro, parsley, onions, lime, garlic, pepper, oil. I couldn't find oregano, so I'm using Italian seasoning. For some reason, when I go find oregano, I can't find it anywhere. So we're going to supplement that with Italian seasoning, but it's going to be oregano, and white wine vinegar. We're going to chop it all up, mix it together, stir it, and good to go. And then we're into the Godfather. the thermometer says we're at 116. We're going to take it off now. I'm going to wrap it, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and I'm going to get the barbecue up to about 500-600 degrees so we can sear it. Okay, so we unwrapped it, and she's ready to sear. Look at the color. No, get that one. Look at that one. Huh? So you want to try to sear all 4 sides. I mean, obviously some sides are a little harder, but I tell you, man, flat searing is the best. Like this side, this thing comes with the grill marks on the other side, but you just get that beautiful, even, like.
The meat is resting. We don't want to disturb it.
Now we're going to make this fantastic drink. So it's called the Godfather. It's a very simple drink and it tastes fabulous, and it's going to pair great with the meat that we're doing too. So it's equal parts amaretto and Scotch whiskey, or you can use whiskey. I had whiskey, so that's what we're using today. But the actual drink is amaretto and Scotch whiskey. But good whiskey's whiskey, it's all good. So let's get to it. Sammy, you're going to love this drink, man. It's beautiful. Okay, so it's equal parts. First thing we'll do, because we'll go with the amaretto. We'll do a single each, and then obviously we're going to have another drink because this is fabulous. So I put in a shot of amaretto, and again today we're using Centennial whiskey. It's a really nice whiskey. And a shot. Oh, what a beautiful color. So the only problem you're going to have with this drink here is after you have your first drink, you're going to start talking like this and saying, I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse. Then we give it a nice stir. You, come hither. We're going to try this now before we're going to have another one, but we're going to try this one now. Because if you notice this episode, no drinks. We haven't had a drink through the whole thing.
That's why I'm so thirsty.
Jesus. I'll give you the slip now. It's okay.
I'm having slip up.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, I'm so privileged.
Okay. Godfather.
I'll make you an offer you
Can't refuse. Okay.
That's better.
Isn't that nice? Huh?
No, that's really.
That's beautiful.
There's no aftertaste.
It's
It goes
just
down so smooth.
Makes
Wow.
you feel like you're something.
Very nice.
Sempre duro. So now we're gonna go start a fire, and we're gonna get to our tasting. All right?
You never know what you can learn on the chopping block.
Well, you definitely know you're gonna eat well and get drunk. So. So when you're cutting a tri-tip, same as a brisket, you cut against the grain. Tri-tips can get a little tricky because sometimes they have 2 or 3 grains going different ways in the layers. But we are going to cut, we have our grain coming this way, so we're going to cut against it this way here, and we should be good.
So Nick, what a fantastic piece of meat we got here. Can't wait to try this.
Now they can eat in him.
Yeah, these dogs are just. Don't worry guys, I know how you feel. I've been filming Nick and just waiting for this. My favorite part of the show.
Okay, so Diamond Dave's Wagyu tri-tip smoked. it smells fantastic. I can't wait to try. Now, I've had this because Dave's made it for me many a time. Dave, you know who you are. And he's done it awesome. This is the first time I've done it by myself. I've cooked it with him, and I've been at his place when he's done it. So hopefully I can make you proud, I guess, or make it as good as you did.
But first, let's clean the palate.
Yes, for sure.
Wash it all down.
With the Godfather. So Sammy, holy shit, that's a nice drink. So I guess make sure we get, if you want to, it does taste different with the sauce. I don't know if you want to try it on its own first. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Wow, it looks great.
Oh.
Oh my God.
You don't even chew it, it just breaks down and melts in your, oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, that was just delicious.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Bruno.
Really, you can really taste the smoke. Oh. And so tender.
You know, again, you don't have to salt this overnight, but what a difference when you do. I just find it, yeah, it just really, when you dry brine it overnight, it's just amazing. So yeah, this adds a whole other dimension to it, right? Oh.
Dave, we haven't met yet. Very good.
Well, there's nothing more to say other than Dante, thanks for the music. Sammy.
If you like this video, please make a comment, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. We really appreciate it.
Oh, sorry, man. This is so too good. We gotta eat. Till next time, sempre duro, up the irons, and it's friggin' awesome. And this really is friggin' awesome.
Let's get to the
Till next time, cheers. Oh, look at that. Even. So you see how it tastes a little different with this stuff on?
That's good. Really good thing.
Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block, a new cooking show with. Holy fuck.
I'm just sorry, I'm just concentrating on my smoke.
Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block.
No.
Welcome to.
I'll do that.
No, I got this. I can do it. I can do this. Welcome back. No, welcome to Metal Chopping. Why am I saying welcome back?
I don't know.
I think this is the beginning of the show.
Back. Great show, but I don't remember the fucking lyrics. Okay, so
I'm
watching I'm concentrating, but I'm losing all my smoke.
All right, welcome to Metal Chopping Block, a new cooking show with rock and metal. Welcome. Okay, ready?
Welcome to the machine.
I gotta get this in there. Welcome to Metal. Welcome to Metal. Can you just give me a slap, please? Welcome to Metal Chopping Block, a new rock and metal show. Great food ideas.
You're supposed to say great food and great metal and rock and.
Well, I said it a little different.
Okay. Sorry, you screwed me up.
I'm trying to make
I'm
it
just
better.
watching all my smoke go away. Come on.
Oh man. Welcome back to.
Welcome to. That's it.
Okay, I got it. Welcome to Metal Chopping Block, a new show with.
Try that again.
Fuck. Can I see it? He's been complaining all day about his finger. See, he's been sticking it in the wrong place. So you should learn something from that. I'm not sure about that.
Our second feature, a band from Serbia, Claymorean.